fully loaded with beer.
12 euros for all those.
Each. Probably got a bottle thrown at you or spat on. Mosquito. Right, quick, let's get out of it.
I made an old man. I said, tell me your story. He took out a notepad and wrote something for me. Then he kept walking on down the road, and I watched him disappear like smoke. And I thought I'd just seen a ghost. Then I looked down at what he wrote. It said, son, when you grow up you'll be fine. I know you've got questions on your mind. Life is gonna happen one way or the other, whether you like it or not. Stop looking for the answers and you'll find what you've got.
Alright, so we just got some pizza. Let's have a look.
Have a pineapple for me.
Looks tasty, that does. We're loaded up on beer, lots of beer and coffee. Right, good shop done. Fully loaded with beer. I've got no idea where we're going to put this. And we've still got about 6 more crates to go. And just over there, I think it's that blue building. It's a toy shop. Yeah, that's where we're going next.
For me, because that was
No, for me.
LOLs.
For me.
No.
What's this?
Oh, and we also bought this at that shop. It was so cute.
Right, let's put this in the van. It's in German. So many toys.
That's an OMG. That's an LOL, but the OMG one. It's got to be by the LOLs. 12 euros for all those.
Each. Is that what you want?
Can I have a couple? Two of these?
Yeah. A whole section of LOLs.
LOLs! Look at that. There's a whole set of them.
Wow.
Look, there's even a hairdresser there.
Yeah, for doing a doll's hair. Look at the dolls.
Whoa.
Amazing. Hundreds and hundreds of them. Hello. So.
Clothing for it. Clothing.
They even got dogs, look.
I know.
Little
they've
dogs
even
with
got
them.
a little elephant.
Very cute. Got what you wanted then.
Yep. Mini, my first mini one.
Our first mini LOL, whoever that is.
It's a tiny weensy one.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I
the
gathered
normal.
that. I gathered that it was going to be smaller than the big one.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah.
called a mini. Oh, right.
You're gonna have to get the thing
Got
ready.
no idea what we're doing now. Don't open them yet.
Oh.
No idea at all. So let's work out where we're going to go. Right, we have done for today. We're now making our way to a park up. It's got a park at the back, kids park, playground. So hopefully we can get to somewhere that's safe and good for Amika, and I can sit out the back and have a couple of beers. God almighty, I've got no idea where I'm going here. Right, anyway, as I was saying, yeah, so
B270, then take the exit towards Landstuhl.
right, it's Vanlife Park up. That on the left is Landstuhl American Air Base. Well, it's not really an air base, it's just a place where soldiers are, but it's awesome. There's got their own Burger King, and there you can see American football pitch on the left hand side. It's only a small American place, but I used to enjoy going in there when we were kids. I think that's the supermarket. But yeah, so there we go. Right, let's continue onwards and find this park up. We are 9 minutes away. Comes this amazing little park up. It looks so far it looks good. It's got beautiful scenery, beautiful houses, lovely little park. I've got the van parked in this nice little area here. I'll just have to pop the ramps out, I think, but it looks like there's a park area, a bit of a grass field over there. Just behind these trees there's a bit of a lake. I'll go and check that out in a minute. Right now I'm going to crack a beer open. And how are you?
Yeah. Good. With 5 LOLs now. 3 to 5.
She just bought 2 LOLs out of some pocket money that she had. Right then, let's go. You have to come out this way, I think. Oh, maybe you can go that way. Bischoff. I've not drank Bischoff since I stole my dad's when I was 14 years old.
Oh my god.
Is that a ladder to get down into some water? I think there's a bit of a lake here, swimming lake.
Like a pool, a lake.
Like a pool, like a lake, yeah. Yeah, there is, look.
Oh yeah.
To get in, it doesn't look like the nicest of water though, does it?
No, no.
You fancy swimming in that?
No.
Hello. Hello. Wow. You definitely don't want to sleep in that. It's green.
Ugh, disgusting.
Even the local kids say hello. That's nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
In England, you've probably got a bottle thrown at you or spat on. I can hear people. I think people are in the water, you know. This is a bar here, look, but it looks like it's closed, unfortunately. Could come down here.
Look, there's even ice cream. Wow,
yeah, it is people swimming. There you go, man. Not for me, thank you.
Go.
Dragonfly. Huge dragonfly. So, beautiful little place. Unfortunately spoilt by a load of people shouting over there. Kurdish or Turkish people. I can hear them speaking Turkish anyway. Kurdish, Turkish, I think. All about swimming. So this is actually a lake designed for swimming, but it's green. You won't catch me in there. Definitely not. Right then, let's get back to the van, which is just over there.
I'm going to be on that park with my 5 new friends. Or 2 new friends. 3.
Is that the LOL friends?
Yeah. My LOLs. There's even bins around.
There's even bins around.
Yeah, so people don't just go there.
Ah, so people don't throw the rubbish in it.
Yeah.
Good thinking, Batman.
I'm not Batman. Not even a man. No, I don't even look
Good thinking, Batgirl.
Oh, thanks.
Beautiful walls. I don't know what these stones are supposed to be. It looks like some sort of animal. Maybe not. Who knows?
The person who made those rocks knows.
Exactly. Mosquito. Right,
In your
quick,
mouth.
let's get out of it. Okay, food is almost ready. Olives, hummus, Amika, Bitburger.
5 LOLs.
5 LOLs, Hercules. It's not Hercules, it's the new vehicle, but I can't remember which one it is.
American one?
Hitter, anti-mosquitoes, which doesn't really work, you still get bit. And I'm covered in anti-mosquito spray as well. But look at this place, what a place to have a little evening meal. What do you reckon?
Yeah.
Enjoying it?
Yeah.
Right.
Especially with my tiny cutie friends.
Yeah. Alright guys, I'm not even sure if you can see me, but yeah, I've just had a sausage, halloumi and pepper sandwich, and obviously a bit burger, or 2 or 3. Yeah, and still trying to work out how we're getting back to England, so planning on getting back on Thursday, because we're going to Vanlife Eats. But still not entirely sure if I'm just going to go on Thursday direct in the morning and get there late in the evening, or make our way back from tomorrow. Tomorrow's Wednesday, so it's probably best to do the lion's share of travelling in Europe, get over towards Calais. I could even travel straight back over to the Normandy beaches, that'd be pretty cool, and then do a little bit of sightseeing on Thursday morning, travel over, get over back to the UK for Vanlife Eats. Can't wait for Vanlife Eats, mega excited. Are you okay? Yeah. That dog's noisy, isn't it?
I know, it's me.
Say again?
It's me.
Oh, it's you, is it? It's not the dog.
No.
You can't actually see it. You can just see your shadow as you're moving across. Put your hands in the sky. Hello.
Hi. Look what I just got.
I can't see it. Can't see it.
Look.
Oh, that looks really spooky next to that.
How
Hopefully
about
you don't
me?
burn yourself. You look better. You always look spooky. Right, I'm going to take this stuff back to the van.